Hello guys, in this video I will try just to give you new information about cryptocurrencies that are available in one of the best sites called Coinbase. So stay tuned. Hello guys, my name is Abdelkarim and I am your coach and trainer. So today I receive a lot of requests to give more information about cryptocurrencies. Understand that cryptocurrencies are a very dangerous thing. So don't play too much with these things. You can make money, yes, but you can lose a lot of money. Now, there is a website called Coinbase. Before, it has only 3 major cryptocurrencies, but now it adds a lot. So we try just to show you the website, to show you how to go, and to show you also how to see the chart. Because for me, the main thing I look at anything, if I want to buy something, is to look at the chart. Is it a good chart to buy? Yes or no? Okay, so let's go. So as you can see, you go to here to www.coinbase.com. Okay, then you see this. You can make an account and you can buy and sell whatever you like. So in general, it shows you only the 4 basic cryptocurrencies: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and Litecoin. Okay? Now, if you want to go to see the other cryptocurrencies that were added, you click this prices, and then you see that there are 12 cryptocurrencies that are available. It means if you want to buy all these 12, you will find them here. Now, here they say not available on Coinbase. It means if you are looking for all the other stuff, yeah, they are not available, so you should search another website. I have no idea about other websites. Before I used Coinbase when Bitcoin and the other was doing good. So as you can see, let's say you are interested in this XRP. It's 29 cents. You click that. Now you see here the chart, how this. Now it says here 1 hour, here is 24 hour, here 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. Okay, let's say I want to see 1 year. What does this do? You see that this, in 1 year, it was 90 cents. Now it's 29 cents. It means that this cryptocurrency is losing a lot of money in the whole year. Okay, so you go back and you can change. For example, you are interested in Ethereum. Okay, so in Ethereum, you see that there is a big trend here. This is just in 24 hours. For example, you take 1 month. See, 1 month. You take 1 year. Okay, so you see, it was $806 in May 4th last year. 800. Now it is 154. So it's going down. So understand that it has lost 77.19 from last year. Okay, so it depends where you buy. So for example, this month here it was 141. It goes to 184.82. So it's like trading is better than investing in this kind of thing. So if you are interested, just look at all the thing And be careful, be careful. These cryptocurrencies are very, very dangerous, and understand that you should always be careful about things that change in value very, very quick. Okay? Cryptocurrencies change because the whole world are trading them. Some they are investing in them, but as you can see, most of people who invest for a long time in these cryptocurrencies, they lose money. So the best thing is you see if there is a trend, you buy. After 1 week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 2, you see some money and you just sell. This is the best thing, I guess, in my opinion. And you can also, you can sell short. You can buy long and sell short, and this as a trader. Some people, they trade, as you trade stocks, you can trade cryptocurrencies. Okay? So thank you very much for watching, and see you next video.